Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to block the IPs. So in this tutorial we are going to create a middleware to check whether this IP is allowed or not allowed. So currently my IP is this one, right? So I'm going to block this so that this super admin dashboard I'm not going to access it. So how I'm going to block it? So let me go to my this folder, this middleware. So here I am getting the IP, right? In the IP I'm going to add this one. If in array if the this IP exists in the blacklist IPs, if this IP and this IP matches, so here I'm going to add this one, my IP. So this needs to be blacklisted, right? If I'm going to save it and reload it, you're restricted to access this website. See, you are accessible. If I'm going to put it over here like this, not allowed. Allowed this. I allowed only this IP. See, only this IP can access this one, right? So this is how we can do the blocking functionality in the Laravel with the help of the middleware, right? So I have created the middleware. So I will give. If the person who knows the middleware don't know the middleware, so they can check out my previous video in the middleware. Right now, I'm going to explain you how we can create the middleware in the app. In the app, HTTP control middlewares. Here you need to here you need to create a middleware. Then you need to link it with the kernel.php. Here I am adding the kernel.php with my middleware. And after that, go to the web routes.php, routes web.php. Here you need to pass a group of the routes that you want to authenticate before accessing that route, right? After doing this will work perfectly. Okay. So let me revert my code. So here we have the rules accordingly, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you can understand how to block an IP or how can restrict an IP successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.